Cornell, who owns it, they've done a great job of keeping this thing, the maintenance up, and keeping everything in good working order. When I want to move the boom up and down, we release the brake and then pull it back to boom up, push it forward to boom down. And this is my LMI system, low moment indicator. That's my computer. It tells you what radius you're at. It tells you how much weight you're good for at that radius. It also tells you how much you have on the hook. Right now, I have 7,000 pounds on the hook. Everything between the top of the boom and that piece of iron, I've got 7,200 pounds. They're tacking that beam in right there, and as soon as they got it safe, we'll cut it loose, and then we'll go get the next piece. That guy you hear talking, that's my signal man down on the deck. Him and I work together. We control it. He actually controls the crane.